my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super well wherever you are in the world today, enjoying this beautiful summer season. And hopefully we are going to be out of lockdown real soon so we can just get back to normal. We are all excited about it. Summer is such a beautiful season, and it's just a pain that we are in lockdown in this summer season, but it is what it is. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for watching today, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in today. I kept everything simple that I'm wearing today, just simple jewelry. You would have seen this necklace in my necklace jewelry haul. I'm going to leave a link somewhere for you guys in a card so you can check it out. The little shimmer on my chest is Fenty Beauty Who Needs Clothes, and I'm just wearing a simple jumpsuit, simple makeup, that's it, no fuss at all. So today we're going to talk about my skincare treats for the summer, and these are things that I'm actually using this summer season to maintain healthy looking skin, help with my oily skin as well. And these are things that I think you guys are going to love and you should have in your skincare routine, your skincare collection, in your bathroom vanity. These things are really good for you. I'm over 50. There's really good skincare products here. And we are going to talk about Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin. I was watching Fumi's video and she was talking about how good the products are and how clean and fresh your skin feels after you use the the cleanser, and it is true. And I picked up the small size, and this is the cleanser. I was a little confused as to how to open this up, but you just have to twist the top and that's it, and then the product comes out. And it smells really nice, and all you need is just a little bit. A little goes a long way, and I have to tell you, this cleanser is really good. My skin feels so fresh and it feels really clean, and I feel like all of my pores is completely detoxed with this. And I don't even go in with my buffer after this, with my facial scrub. I don't, because my skin feels so good with this cleanser. It is a good line, and I really recommend this for you guys. I'm telling you, Fenty, you did outdo yourself with this skincare line. And I know Simply Demi also did a review on this product, and she really liked it, and it removed the dark spots from her face and all of that. And good line, highly recommended. So I got the trio, which is a cleanser. This is called the fat water, which is just a toner. And so I use my finger or a cotton pad, and I just put a little bit of this on my face after I'm done cleansing, and I feel like my skin feels so plump and refreshed, and I don't have to do anything much with my skincare after using this. And then I go in with the moisturizer. So I bought 3 of them together. This is not a sample size. I just got the smaller version of the full size in the meantime, just in case I didn't like it. But I thought, let me just try it at first, and then when this is finished, I will definitely, absolutely definitely repurchase these, because they are really good and they come highly recommended. The cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer. And another thing that I'm actually using on my face is from MSN. You guys heard me talk about the MSN products before. This is a Vin Gold line. This is very good. This is an eye cream. And after I'm finished my facial routine, and I alternate my skincare for the summer, and after I'm finished cleansing with my Fenty Beauty and all of that, I put a little bit of this in the corner of my eyes, and I just tap up just a little bit. That's how I do it. This really helps to remove all of the crow's feet and the dark circles and the wrinkles and crinkles around your eyes. I don't have any wrinkles, but if I can avoid having those wrinkles too soon, I will definitely do that. And I feel like I can get instant results from this. Just a little bit of this goes along with just in the corner of the eyes and above on the eyeball. I just tap a little bit of that on there, and this is really good as well. It really helps to keep the eye moisturized, and I did put a little bit of this on today before I put my makeup on, and I feel like under my eyes is just so matte. It's not creasing, it's not greasy or anything like that. It's so good. It's an amazing eye cream. And also from MSM, this is again from the Vin Gold line. This is a face moisturizer. I use this on my face and neck. Look at the size of this thing. This is a huge mama. It's a big tub. It's a face cream, and I feel like my skin is so not only moisturized but hydrated and plump, and I feel like my skin is looking so youthful with this, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And I left the protective cover on top, and you just need a little bit of this on your hand and just all over your face, and then that's it. And the rest of it I just rub just around my neck and the décolleté area, and it is a super amazing face cream, and this is what I'm using for the summer. All of my other skincare products that I do use, I mean, I have it on hold for the moment because I really want to see the benefits of these products. Really good. Now, if you are looking for a product to remove your eye makeup, I suggest this. Now, do you see it's all the way down here? This is like my 4th or 5th bottle. This is from Avene, and this is the Intense Eye Makeup Remover. If you want to remove every single makeup from around your eyes, the eyeliners, the eye pencils, the little, the colors that you have in this corner of your eyes to wake your eyes up. If you want to remove all of that stuff from your face, try this. I've mentioned this way back when at one point, and I had done a little Instagram video on this. This is really good because my eyes is so sensitive, and I feel like when I use this, it really works. I tried other micellar water, and I feel like my eyes are always irritated. But with this, I can use a cotton pad right under my eyes, right over my eyes, and this is not going to irritate my skin at all. It is a really good product to have from Avene. If you can find this, please pick it up. It is really good. And this is all that I'm actually using on my skin this summer because it's so hot and summer is short-lived, and I really want my skin to maintain some elasticity, to maintain the moisture, to not strip my skin. And these products are really doing it for me. They are so good. The Fenty Beauty line, oh my god, you have to try it. Again, this is the cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer. That's all you need. They are really good. Come highly recommended. Amazing. You will definitely love it. And that's it for today's video. I'm going to leave these products in the description box for you just in case you may want to think of picking up 1 or 2 things. But if you want to pick up on something, try the Fenty Skin line. It is so good. And from what was that? And from MSM, if you really want to see skin transformation, try the skincare products. It is so good, so good. And on that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I do appreciate you tuning in, and I do appreciate it if you can watch the videos to the end. I will definitely love you for that. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles.